Todd Dutton of Lincoln County Farm Bureau. It's August the 23rd. After Sunday service, we decided to start cutting rice. It's been a tough year in 2020, and seems like it just continues to be the year that keeps on giving. We've got 2 hurricanes coming in the Gulf of Mexico, and as a rice farmer, that's a grave concern of ours. I think the first one's going to skirt to the south of us, and I think the next one may dead center us, is what they're saying. So as a rice farmer, 40-mile-an-hour winds is not very good.
Farming in 2020, this is really my first full year on the farm. I've been in college past 3 or 4 years, and this is, like I said, really my first grasp of what goes on. And I'm telling you right now, it's tough. It's extremely tough. With as far as prices go, you know, this coronavirus come in and just basically wiped out what hopes we had of people buying grain.
2020 been a tough year. Coronavirus, the crop prices due to the coronavirus and the trade war has not been helpful at all. The weather has not really cooperated for us much, so it's not to paint a picture of doom and gloom, because I love farming or I wouldn't be doing it, but it's a year that I'll remember, that's for sure. We're on a farm here in South Jefferson County, the one that me and Matt Tucker farmed together. It's in the southern part of Jefferson County, and we've got a few acres of rice ready, and we're going to try to get it before the storm comes.